Hi, this is Sarah at Banggood, and this video is going to show you how to remove this line if you're using pre-printed check stock. So to get to the screen where you can make these edits, go to Cash Management, under All, go into either your checking or your savings to bring up all your accounts, edit whichever account it is that you need to make this change for. On the Check Printing tab, make sure you select Pre-Printed Check Stock. Down here in your print settings, your printing format should be high security. Now if I look at it, the line will still be there. What I need to do is make sure that I hit save so that my changes take effect. Now if I go back into it, check printing, scroll down, have a look at it again. Nice, no line. And that's that.